Alright, good morning. Man, after a good night's rest, it's time to get up and get a solid Walmart pickup order put in. So
yep, another one in the books.
Just got back from doing that, getting restocked again. Picked up a couple things that we need. We've got some RV wash, so hoping that the rain holds off, and at one point this week I'll be able to wash the RV. Hasn't really been washed good in a while, so it'd be nice to get this cleaned up and get some black streaks off of it.
We hit the Blue Beacon, and they did an okay job, but
yeah, they do well. I mean, they do a really good job, especially for on the road when you don't have somewhere to wash it. So I'm hoping this will kind of clean it up, get it shined up a little bit before we get back on the road here in right at a week. Yep, 1 week from today we'll be heading out. So we're going to try to make the most of this week. Try to get a bunch of stuff knocked off our list. Got the fuel filters on the truck to do. I got to grease the trailer. Haven't greased it since we left, so get all that greased up. Still in debate about the transmission service on the truck. I'm going to handle that, but for now, I'm going to get all these groceries put away and see how much more stuff we can knock off our list.
Are you ready to try out your bike?
Yep.
All right.
Squasher D. Show us what you got.
A little boost. You got to pedal hard. You got to put a little effort into it. You got it.
Yeah.
Can you help to get you up the hill?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go up.
You watching Dylan ride his bike?
It does it really good if you do it in the grass. So
What'd you think about that?
All right, so this time.
What do you think? What do you think? How much?
A lot. You're on the banana bike, I was in banana. Are the tires supposed to come off the ground like that? Dad!
Alright, I should probably stop. That thing's a lot of fun. Probably too much fun. I think I'm going to get in trouble. Or hurt myself, which I'm not trying to do either one of those, but Dylan really likes it, so that's good. And enough playtime. Gotta go back and get a little work done now.
Alright, so one of the things I'm doing today is catching up on laundry. And some people might think living in an RV full-time, do they have a RV washer and dryer, which some of the RVs do come with those hookups, but ours did not. So we came up with the solution of giving the portable washer and spin dryer a try. It was only $100, so what do we have to lose? So here we are a year and 3 months later, still on the same one. It's working great and we are completely happy with it. You don't have to go to laundromats, just have to have some hookups, and I was going to give you a quick show of how it works, but we have a full demonstration of the video we did on it last year, and we'll leave a link in the description below. So you just fill this tub up with water and your clothes, and then we use regular laundry soap. Doesn't take a lot. And then after we use our handheld shower head to fill up the water. We were really surprised at how well this thing washes. So then when it gets done, you stick about half the load of what you can fit in the washer can go in the spin dryer. Let it spin out. It spins out really well. So then we just let them air dry for the rest of the time, and it's worked out great. So then after the clothes spin dry in the dryer portion of it, they're pretty well dry enough that they don't drip water or anything. And we let them air dry, and David installed this retractable drying line that we let them finish drying on. different things work for different people, and this is what's worked out really great for us, and we're extremely happy with it.
All right, me and Dylan are getting ready to head over to my mom's house. She's wanting to do some pulled pork for us tomorrow, so I'm going to take some of my seasoning. I've got my injection kit, so we're going to head over there, and I'll get that thing all prepped up for her. That way all she has to do is get up in the morning, stick it on the grill, and then we'll come over tomorrow afternoon and help her finish it up and get it shredded and pulled, and we'll enjoy a really good meal of pulled pork tomorrow.
Yes.
So, but for now, we're going to go over and get this thing prepped. I'll show you guys what we do for that as soon as we get there.
Yep.
All right, so we're getting ready to get that pork butt all prepared to go on the grill for tomorrow. It's going to be awesome. I'll show you guys what we do to get this thing all set up. All right, so the seasoning we're using, I'm going to need some of my Kinder's brown sugar rub. I found this stuff when we were out west. It was really, really good, so we're going to use this on it. Got a little bottle of apple juice. We're going to inject it with some apple juice. I put some of the seasoning inside the apple juice. Shook it all up good to kind of dilute it. We're going to inject it. We're going to rub it down with some mustard. We're going to put the rub on it. And then we're going to wrap it all up and let it sit overnight, put it on the grill tomorrow.
Get into the game and tell us what the game's gonna be. Tell them how you know. We need to go custom action in.
I usually don't inject a whole lot into it, just enough to kind of give it a little bit of flavor.
It's gonna happen to you next. You think?
Just a real light coating of mustard, just to help the rub stick to it.
The season 3 backpack came out the actual skin. Oh look, the fire is ready. And look, you know what the cat and oh wow, you can see that. I used to have this in the I don't have it. Because I sell it for robot and he got we can sell it? Yeah, what? I have sleeves stuff to sell. Look, I would sell this skin. Yeah, I would sell 17 or 100 skins. I would sell the lunch. No, I didn't have any. I would sell it's just a one. Yeah.
Alright, that's pretty much it. It's pretty much all set. We're going to wrap it up really good. We're going to put it in the fridge overnight and put it on the grill tomorrow. So there it is, all prepped and ready, apple juice, put a brown sugar rub on it. So I'm going to show you guys what this thing looks like tomorrow when it comes off the grill. Got it. Yeah.
Did you trust the truck stuff?
All right, Dylan, what do you think about today's fishing experience?
Not very exciting.
No? What kept you from having a true experience?
No freaking alligator in the pond. And kept trying to creep up.
Creeper. What
Not
are
very
we
good fishing.
gonna do instead?
Yeah, swimming.
All right, so one of the biggest things that Dylan misses about living in a house with a pool is having a pool. So he's really been enjoying the time here. And we're gonna show you, we came over here to meet up with the family for some dinner, but we got here before them, so he's got the whole pool to himself for a few minutes.
Yep.
Was it cold? Is it cold?
What?
Is it cold?
Yep.
What are you putting on the grill tonight?
That's some chicken breasts. Check them out. Get them all seasoned up for a few hours. Ready to go. Looking good. Looking good. All right, we wrapping up another evening, and the chicken was good. I seasoned it with the Kinder's Mild Barbecue seasoning. So it's a seasoning that I found when we were out west. Big fan of the Kinder's product. We've got a couple of theirs now that I got while we were out west, and man, it's good stuff. Highly recommend it. So seasoned up that, cooked on the Traeger. I mean, chicken breast on the Traeger, 350 degrees, roughly about 20 to 25 minutes, and it's ready to go. So it turned out really good, and that's about it. You know, we just enjoying hanging out with family while we're here. You know, it's definitely something that even, you know, when we lived in Florida, we still were 150 miles away. So, you know, seeing him on a regular basis, and Dylan getting to see his cousins on a regular basis didn't really happen just because of the distance. But it's been really nice, you know, being here and being literally right in their backyard. So we've been enjoying it, and we're gonna go ahead and wrap this evening up, and we will catch you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, got a pork butt to show you guys tomorrow that we seasoned and injected today. So we will bring that to you guys, and catch you guys tomorrow.